climate of the Philippines. First, let's take a look at the difference between climate and weather. When we say weather, it is the state of the atmosphere describing, for example, the degree to which is hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy, clear or cloudy, while climate is the long-term pattern of weather in particular area. So, what do you think in our country? Do you know the Philippines is a tropical country? Yes, it is. Because Philippines is in the tropical country. That's why it is climate characterized by relatively high temperature, high humidity, and abundant rainfall. Because of its location, that's why it has only two seasons in which is wet and dry that affects the livelihood in our country. We experience the dry or summer during the months of December until May, while the wet season or rainy days during the month of June until November. Do you know? Also, there are factors that affects our country's climate. First factor is because of the altitude. Example, which is what Baguio City has experienced in climate, which is relatively cold because it is located in higher place, while in province of La Union, experiencing hotter temperature because it is located in lower place. Additional factor for the effect the climate it is the rainfall, like what we are experiencing now. Heavy rains which is caused by the typhoon Florita. According to the Pag-asa, more tropical cyclones are entering the Philippine area of responsibility than anywhere else in the world, with the average of 20 cyclones in this region per year, with about 8 or 9 years of them crossing of the Philippines. The peak of the typhoon season is July through October, where nearly 70% all typhoons develop. And for our information, our climate here in the Philippines is similar in many respects to the climate of the countries of Central America. Next is latitude or location of a certain place. Its distance from bodies of water and the wind movement. These factors contribute the changes of our climate that causes what we experience, which is relatively high temperature, high humidity, and abundant rainfall. And that's all, the climate of the Philippines. Again, I'm Stacy Gabriel Peralta, reporting from CA News, Philippines.